Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this Honor. You need to begin by accessing settings, then scroll down just a bit and click on sounds and vibration. After that, you can tap on vibration over here and mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then click on phone ringtone. Now you need to click on vibration over here and tap on one of those vibration patterns to set up the best one for you. I will go with standard. You can also disable it completely by choosing none. Then click on the back button. You can do that to Sim 1 and Sim 2. Then scroll all the way down and choose more settings. After that, tap on this sweater next to vibrate while ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to system haptics to enable or disable this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!